think when clients come to Gevurtz Menashe, they can expect the highest level of professional services relating to family law matters. That's always been our core value, to be the best lawyers we can be, to provide the best representation we can, and to treat people with respect. Basically, it's following the golden rule. It's what we would expect going to see a professional, and so we want to provide that same service. And I think we've been lucky. We started in January of 1982, and we've grown and continued to keep that value intact. And I think we're recognized as providing as good a representation as one can get in the family law arena. When we started the firm, Ron Gevurtz and I tried to determine what our core values were going to be. And simply stated, the first and most important was that we provide the highest quality of legal representation to people. 2, that we treat our clients with respect and treat them fairly. And number 3, that we do what we do with the highest level of integrity and professionalism.
What makes our firm different from other law firms is that we take a very collaborative approach to cases. We have a deep bench of folks and we work together. So a lot of times in family law, it's a solo sport. You don't see a lot of larger firms because it's hard to keep people for a long time. There's a lot of burnout. We put an emphasis on mentoring, and then we also bring on multiple people in a case to really find the right fit. One of the unique nuances of family law is the high emotional nature of it. And so when we meet with a new client, we want to make sure that we find the right fit from a personality standpoint and approach to their case. So having multiple lawyers available ensures that there's a higher probability that we find the right fit. And then we work together on our cases, and we work really hard to come up with creative solutions as a team.
When hiring an attorney, I think the first thing is to make sure that they have the experience and the skill set really that matches up with your matter, and that they've had experience handling those matters. I think the second part that's really important is that you feel there's a good fit personality-wise. There's plenty of good attorneys out there, but what really makes a relationship work well is when there's a good partnership between the attorney and the client, and they're able to communicate well. This person's going to be navigating you through probably one of the most important times of your life. Could be the largest financial transaction in your life, or it could be the most important to you because it's also involving your children.